How to set the Samsung Music queue to add new tracks to top, bottom, or after current track on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. In here, open up the music app. Then we tap on the more button, and from the pop-up, tap on settings. In the settings page, go down, and in the playlist section, tap on queue settings. Now go down to add order, and in here you can choose to add new tracks to the top, or add it to the bottom of the list, or add it after the current track. So select one of the options, and then tap on the back key to go back to your music folders, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.